Well, good morning. Welcome back to Nacho Stuff. Oh gosh, to Nacho Stuff. It's getting ready to fall apart on me. Come to pick you up. Kicking off with some tidbits from yesterday. And now we got ourselves a grill that's trying to fall apart on us. All the peoples are dropped off at the airport this morning. They're headed to Uncle D's house for a week of fun and activities, probably. Good luck, Grandma. So we're gonna have a nice quiet household for the remainder of the week. Yes. So anywho's, we're gonna get after today and see what kind of junks we can find. Hopefully we can stuff her. Yesterday was decent, but I wanna stack high. Let's see what the road has for us today. Looky, Americanos, we got ourselves another grill. This one's looking at the stainless variety. Plastic or metal? You're metal, but I think you got too much concrete on you. All right, get your guesses in now. I'm gonna go with stainless. I mean, there's some rust on it, but we got a locked wheel or something. What's going on here, guys? All right, everybody put their guesses in. Everybody, what? Oh, my magnets are over there. Come on, Ducan. It says right here, stainless. That's stainless. The sides are stainless. Looks like they took the racks off of here. So this part is stainless. The lid is not. Sides are. Front is. So it's like all stainless except for the lid. We're gonna leave this in here. Let's just knock the lid off of it. And then it should give us dirt on it. Or I should say heavy. Did I unlock the side? Yeah. Yeah, I already did that side. All right, don't forget this one's stainless, guys. Trying to pull the locked wheel. Let's go this way. Oh, you stinking lock wheel. It'll help it stay in place once it's in the trailer, though, which is kind of cool. Onward. Yes, it's got a remote with it, too. Love me a remote. That remote right there, we'll look it up. Here's the code. There's always got a number on the bottom of it. Let's see what this guy's worth. It's right here. That's why you gotta take your remotes, man. I don't even know what it's worth. It's probably like, it's worth nothing. I don't know, most of them are worth something. Most of them are worth, I don't know, $8 to $15 is they have an average remote, as long as it's in a working order. But I mean, I found some remotes that are 50, $35 to $50. Those ones are the fancier ones. So keep your eyes peeled for remotes. They're worth dollars. All right, guys. We got our first fan of the day. We did grab a couple of TVs. As I always say, ABA, always be asking. There was an air conditioning company in here, but they were just fixing the unit. They weren't replacing it. Anywho's, that's our first fan of the day. So please take a moment and smash that like button, because that's what we do when we find fans. Hashtag fan of a fan. Now we're gonna run up here and grab this little file cabinet, maybe? Yeah, that's what it is. What do we got in the box? Anything? No. Nope, you guys are just here hanging out. You guys empty? Yes. Ooh, you're super light. Super light. All right, onward. TVs are thick today. Roku. They're all wet. They must have had rain last night. No rain at my house. Not much, I should say. There was a little bit of rain. There might still be another one in there. Holy Toledo. It might just be wet too. Oh no, it's in here. 3 TVs. Onward. Thinking to myself, it's been a bit since we had some bigs. Ask and you shall receive. These guys look like they might have lived outside though. Oosh. Not in the best of shapes. I don't know that either of those are going to survive to my guy. They're very old. What we got here? I don't know what you are, but you count. Whatever you are. Mini ice maker, maybe? You guys put your guesses in. It's got a little baby rad. It's got something that doesn't look like a compressor. It looks more like a motor. But those little baby guys don't have traditional setup, so I'm still going with ice maker. These machines smell like wet dog. Not the best smell. Why don't these want to push? Guys, that'll do her. Onward. We got a nice little pile here, unfortunately. I don't want to block up the road. Morning. Oh gosh. Mower looks pretty decent. Is it the plastic deck? The plastic ones are really expensive. Yeah, it's plastic. It's a nice mower right there. They last for forever because they have plastic decks, not metal decks. That one's nice. These two we're gonna bring. Oh, this is gonna be an interesting little trek here. We're gonna have to probably speed this up in between walks. I know, we'll figure it out. we unlock this? Come on, cross your fingers, guys. Nope. We'll leave it here and then we'll drive off. Smash them. That should be par for the course, right? Yep. That's wood. There's a lot of glass mixed in here too. Not great. Nope, just digging out metal.
Yeah, no, you go ahead. Hey, I don't mind helping. I'm not offering.
Hey, no worries. Oosh. All right, what else we got in here? Whew. I think most of it's wood except for this one piece of metal. I'd like to get it out if I could. Oh, this is a table here. Oh gosh, you're both buried pretty good. Look at you. Take this glass. Move you down over here with your friends. Stay. Ooh, get off of there. All right, one more stool. I think we're done here, guys. Aluminum? No, probably not. Nope. Man, they're gutting that house. Whoo-wee. Yeah, that one table's gonna stay. What was in there? Whew. Nasty stuff in here. All right, guys, that's gonna be it except for that one bench that's just too buried in there for me. Too buried. The mower back here in the back. All right, guys, let's roll. Some wires here. All these tools work. Take what you want. I'll take them all. Is that a sump pump? Maybe. Wagner spray tech. No, it's a spray gun of some sort. I don't know what you are. We will take you all. We'll leave this here for the next batch of tools. Man, this one's old. Look at that. Powercraft. Put him in the tool bucket. That one's super old. That one's probably aluminum. In better days. We'll take the bag though, because he's always looking for bags. Missing a wheel, missing part of the motor, missing the gas tank. Oh, you've been cannibalized. With a Craftsman too. It's a pretty nice mower. Was. All right, let's roll. Treating us pretty good, guys. Pretty good. We got in here another vanity thing to do. Got ourselves some lights. Got ourselves another big. It's gonna go on to Hitch because I don't feel like fighting with the back right now. from me. It's just sticking out of the garbage can. Oh, you're a nice guy too. What do you got? Is that a skill? Oh. Pervolsky. Not quite as good as a skill or a Echo, but pretty nice trimmer. Let's see. Ouch. That hurt. Oh, we got some Christmas bulbs. I don't want Christmas bulbs. Ooh, that's fun. The size of those mugs. Don't need those. Should we bring Jeff some aloe? Is that what that is, aloe? I think it's aloe, right? I don't know. Looks like aloe. Let's bring that to Jeffy. I think it's aloe. Stuff's expensive. Onward. As we're running out of road to run, but we got our little bits here. Got ourselves a crock of pods. Come on, laptop, be in there. No laptop. Ooh, what is this stuff though? I don't know, this looks like good stuff. Got ourselves a Polaroid camera. Some remotes. What do we got in here? CenturyLink. What is CenturyLink? Is that intrawebs? I think so. We're gonna look these guys up. These look like they're pretty good shape still. Alrighty. Onward. Must be mower day. Are you plastic? What a bag we got here. Oh, it's a Louis Vuitton. Definitely original, right? Wow. That's not even a good knockoff. Although they're making an effort to look real legit. It might be legit. It doesn't feel like real leather though. We'll check her out. We'll take our mower though. This is just a stock pusher. These actually are pretty sought after because they're pretty cheap. So, well, let's go over here. We'll pick these up for like 50, 75 bucks. If you got a small lawn, it's okay to push it. You get too big of a lawn though, it's a lot of work. Onward. Alrighty guys, we've made it to the yard. Mr. Torch Guy. I was talking to one of the guys here. They said he's an independent contractor, but he was trying to say that he's an employee now. I don't know. He's been working here for so long. It's crazy. He's been staying at a motel, they said, the whole time too, which is even crazier to me. So anywho's, we're gonna get this off before we don't pay attention. We're gonna get that nice, I don't have my good clippers here. Are they in here? I don't know what I did with them. Oh, there they are. Sweet. I know these are a pain in the butt if you don't have decent clippers. Yeah. We might take the back off of that. We'll see how much time we've got. Kev's here, so if he gets unloaded before we do, we'll have to wait at Jeff's anyway, so we'll see how he does. We're gonna save a couple of these mowers. Not all of them though. This guy's staying. Because it's the plastic deck. I told Kev I'd let him take a good look at these. My guy's not gonna want these. They're too old. But his guy likes the old ones, so these might work for Kev. We'll see. I got this brother. I should probably look this up before I toss it. Right? No, I'm not going to. I've looked them up before. They don't... It takes the right person to want one of those. These were really light. I didn't check them. No, they're steel. What was last? It's there's that light bar I picked up. We're gonna keep this guy too. Even though it's a push. Oh. Okie dokie, schmokies. Get off the mud. This one is like 90%. Fortunately, I'm going to unscrew it. First, normally they just have little pins. I might keep this, I'm not sure. They're definitely going to Jeff though, so he's gonna decide whether I'm gonna turn it in or keep it. No wire on that. This one's going. I just gotta see if I can get the motor off of it. Got no rear wheels. It is so humid today. It's unbelievable. Uh-oh, Jill's out here. Uh-oh, Jill's out here. I guess we can't throw our concrete. What's that? In that trimmer? No, it's gas. No, it's gas, Jill. This should be aluminum. Say what? And then it's gone. They've been blowing through the metal, man. All right, guys. We're gonna go through the ceiling fans from yesterday. Oh, there is a little compressor on that thing. I'm gonna see if I can get that motor off of that. Gotta get the lid off of that. And we'll go to Jeffrey's. See you in a few. Let's do some NFJ. Had to wait for Kev. He beat me out of the yard. He did take both those machines. So it's good for both of us. We each make a little bits of money. Get on, stinker! Which side has the... that side? Whoa! It's got one wheel that's locked. So you gotta like hold up that side or it won't push.
Mower. Plastic deck.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Some guys get lucky and they're aluminum.
Watch out for the batteries. Yeah.
Not much out there, huh?
It wasn't bad. I mean, it wasn't amazing, but it was good. Ow. Was that clean?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, I didn't bring my book. Oh! I'm gonna keep this one for myself. Unless you don't want this one. Interested?
Hello? I have a big one. Thank you. Okay.
What? I'm going to. I was gonna keep this little one. So I guess I'll keep a big one now. Oh, where are you at? There you are. 777. Great clean jokes.
What do you get when you cross a pig and a tree?
Pig in a tree. Bacon that won't leave?
Oh, a porcupine.
A porcupine. What kind of snack do little monkeys have with their milk?
Banana.
Chocolate chimp cookies.
Why did the cat get detention at school?
Is it littered?
Oh, because he was a cheetah.
A cheetah. What do you call a knight who just lost a fencing match.
Knight who just lost a fencing match. Goes dead.
A sword loser.
What do you do if your dog steals your homework? Or steals your spelling homework?
Your spelling homework? Don't know.
Take the words right out of his mouth.
Take the words out of his mouth. Oh my gosh, Jeff. I haven't got one of yours in a long time, it seems like. What is brown and sticky? We've done this one.
What is brown and sticky? A twig.
A stick.
A stick, yeah.
What is the best hockey team in the universe?
The best hockey team in the universe. I don't know.
The All-Stars. Alrighty guys, we're weighed and paid. Not a bad Tuesday, huh? Not bad at all. We had, what do we have? 3 different bigs we had. We had that stainless steel grill. Unfortunately, I went to do that thing and I didn't have the right, I had to clear my car out to fit all the people's in this morning when we went to the airport. So not everything made it back in, and it had a star bit for the lid, which was normally the edge. You have a cotter pin you pull out and push it out and the lid comes right off. But so it got turned in. We actually made a little bit more on the grill because of that. But anywho's, let's dive into our receipt and see how we did today. 1,180 pounds, not quite as good as yesterday, but still pretty solid. 7 cents a pound for 82.60. Electric motors, we had just the one ceiling fan, 8 pounds, 26 cents a pound for 208. Stainless steel, he has it just listed, for some reason it's stainless steel clean, but if it's stainless steel dirty, it's just listed as stainless steel, which is weird to me. 122 pounds, 26 cents a pound for 31.72. Now that's the kind of grill we like to find. Irony light, we just had 2 pounds, 33 cents for 66 cents, and then clean aluminum, 2 pounds, 45 cents for 90 cents, for a grand total today of 117.96. But that does not include the washer and dryer. Kev said he'd give me 20 bucks for him because he's going to turn around and sell them to his guy. So I make a little bit of money, he makes a little bit of money. And then when I was at Non-Ferrous, the guy behind me said, "Can I buy that weed whacker from you?" So he paid me 10 bucks for that weed whacker. I'm okay with that. We still have stuff for our guys at the house that they haven't picked up as of yet, and he was interested in it. And if people are flashing cash at me, cash talks, baby. So that's another 30 on top of that. So just to make math easy, we're gonna call this 120 instead of 117 and change, just to make maths easier. And so we add 30 to that. 150 for a Tuesday? Are you kidding me? We'll take that. I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. The reason why I say this, tomorrow's my birthday. And my wife said, I'm going to take the day off. You should let me know whether you're working or not. And so that means it'd be nice if we took the day off and did something together. See, I'm getting smart in my old age. So I think I'm going to just do that. And I might do a breakdown video. Who knows? I might still work. You know how it goes. The other day I said I wasn't going to run anymore and I still ran. So you just never know what the day is going to bring. But as of right now, I don't know. Well, we'll see what the day brings. But if you don't see me, that's why. We'll be back Thursday. But we might put something out tomorrow anyways. We'll just have to play it by ear. So just want to give you the heads up. Thanks for watching today. Make sure to smash that thumbs up before you get out of here, especially if you didn't take care of that when you saw the fan. It's Nacho Stuff. That doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and we'll see you guys then.